Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Science Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss about what is force. We use force in our daily life so much times, but what force really mean? To the answer of this question is force is just feeling a push or a pull, or in simple words, force is just interaction between two objects. There is a special thing about force, which is when we apply two types of force on an object from same direction, they add up, while if we apply force on an object from opposite directions of each other, they subtract each other. Like, imagine if a man pushing an object with the force of 7n and a man also pushing the object from the opposite direction with 7n, so they subtract each other. To know force more, we have to know what is vector. Vector is just a quantity which having magnitude as well as direction. Let's move on. What force can do? Force can do lot of things. It can change the speed of object, it can change the direction of object, it can stop a moving object, it can also change shape of object. We can divide force into two types, which is contact force like frictional force and non-contact force, which is gravitational force. There are also four fundamental force, which is electromagnetism, weak, weak interactions, strong interactions, and gravitational force. I think that is for today's guys. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.